All right, guys, so I wanted to do a quick review on these cool motion sensor lights. There's a lot of features that I love, and one of the ones that I love is that they're easy to install. So literally no tools needed. You can just peel this piece off and then stick it wherever you like. And then as for the lights themselves, check it out. So they're all magnetic. Bam, and it's got a good magnet on there. And it doesn't matter if you have them like this way, pointing down, just depending on maybe your decor or anything like that. You can set them up as you like. And then it's got three different settings on here. And the button to turn them on is down here. They do use Type-C charging cable. And it comes with two for both of them, so I thought that was cool. So I'll go ahead and fire it up. So there's one, and then it also can be brighter or dimmer. So as you can see, I turned it down there. And then we'll go brighter again. This is a different one here. And then I'll dim it down. And this is a different one here. And we'll make it brighter. You can see it starts to fill up. And then back to this one. So again, a lot of very cool variations that you can do. I usually put them right by our kitchen leading into our bedroom. I'm going to go ahead and show you what they look like once they're installed so you can check them out. Alright guys, and here's what they look like when they are installed. I did pick two different color styles for it. So you can see you just pick it up in case you need extra light. And you can change that setting right then and there. And then once you're done, you would just put it back. Highly recommend. 10 out of 10.